What's up guys, it's OFFROAD B-Side. Today we are here at AT230 and we are here on the event called RIGS Beans, having some fun last weekend of April here. And we have brought our Lexus GX 460 and also our Toyota 4Runner here. We're going to be showing some products. In our GX 460 we have our plug-and-play S-Connect retrofit CarPlay Android Auto system that we're showing. We also have a ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller installed in here. And on top of that, we have a display of many products that we're showing today. One of them is our throttle response controller. We have a full display here just showing you how everything works with a button. You can sync it up to your phone and see how much difference it makes with the speed of how fast your throttle opens. Very, very cool device. You'll be able to see this in live. And on top of that, we have our plug-and-play Encore Alpha amplifiers. This one works for a lot of Toyota models. We actually have it in this 4Runner here, and we have a little switcher that compares the factory and the amplifier, our amplifier. So you get a live before and after, and you could get that instant before and after with that push of a button. So you could come so that people could come here and demo the product to see how much difference it makes. And we have a bunch of products that we're offering today, and we're selling one-day specials. Got some catalogs, and here is our 4Runner here with our Encore Alpha Power Amplifier in addition to the ShiftPower product and also our front camera system. All right guys, so hopefully you guys could join us today. If not today, we will be going to a lot of the events throughout the year. So if you follow us on Instagram, YouTube, we'll be announcing the different type of events that we're going to be a part of, and hopefully you could join us this year. Thank you very much, and I will hopefully see you guys in person. Comes the demo. What type of music do you like?
Hip hop.
Hip hop. All right. You like Future?
Yeah, Future.
Okay, so this is off, right? This is just factory.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's not bad, right? Factory, right? And then we're gonna do the app now.
Yeah.
This is the app. And I'm gonna turn it on.
Yeah, big difference.
Big difference, yeah. So much more clean. Bass hits harder.
It's more power.
Yeah, more power, more clean.
Yeah,
you could hear and sing more. You could hear the voice. House mix. So this is normal EDM. No, it's turned off. No amp. With that. Yeah. All right, guys. So we are here wrapping up on today's amazing event hosted by AT230 Cars and Coffee, the RIGS Beans event. B-Sonic, we're very, very happy to be here with AT230, be able to participate in this event. It was such an amazing event. So if you guys are local to Southern California, make sure to come by AT230 Cars and Coffee on these events and also on normal days, because they do service cars and also serve amazing coffee at the same time. And I also want to take this time to hand over the mic to Shin from AT230, who's going to tell you a little bit about this business and this coffee shop / car shop.
Hi, this is Shin with AT230. We are here in La Habra City. We have a cousin coffee shop. This is actual cousin coffee. We have a cafe inside our shop, and we serve like really great coffees. And also the shop here, the garage side, we have an alignment machine, we have a tire change, and then we do pretty much everything. And we sell tires, wheels. We became a pro shop for the HKS, the Japanese performance brand. We can install coilovers and springs, and then we have also the alignment machine. So after we finish the installation, we can make it right, the camber, caster toe, for the driving, for everyday driving, also the truck driving.
That's great. That means you don't need to install your coilover and drive somewhere else to get the alignment shot. Then you could do everything here at the same time.
Yes, exactly.
Get the coilover installed, get it alignment done so that you're ready to go on the road. You don't have to be driving with the alignment that's all screwed up after you install your coilovers.
Yes, exactly. That's why we're one-stop shop. Yeah, one-stop shop. They specialize in suspension more.
And Japanese aftermarket parts.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, and then also like almost like every weekend we have a car meet. Like every weekend we have a different theme. Like one is like a BMW meet, one is like a JDM meet, like the off-road. We did the off-road today, and it was great turnout. Please come. Our event is always due like in the morning from 9 to 12 on Sunday. So yeah, please follow our Instagram. Our Instagram is AT230 Cars and Coffee, and you will see all the schedule for the event, future event. So please check it out.
Make sure not miss it.
Okay, so we have a coffee shop inside. And so while we are working on the car, the customer can wait at the cafe and drinking some nice coffees. We have some specialty coffees, and also we have the croissants and the wrap sandwich, stuff like that. So you can enjoy our food and coffee.
All right, Shin, thank you for the shop introduction. It's amazing what you've done over here, just being able to combine a car shop in a very nice, friendly place where you could have really good coffee and some pastries and some snacks while you're here waiting. Thank you very much again. It was an amazing event. We look forward to coming to a lot more events in the future. And for all of you guys, if you haven't yet, help us by following us on our Instagram page. It's BeatSonic USA. We also have a YouTube page, BeatSonic US. And if you haven't yet, whatever platform you're looking at, make sure you subscribe and you like our channel and also AT230 Cars and Coffee. We'll see you guys next time.
Next time.